y'all, welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Cryptos. My name is Dom, and today I'm going to be making for you all a salted caramel mocha. Let's get started. So I'm really excited to be showing you all how to make a salted caramel mocha from home, considering Starbucks discontinued one of my favorite holiday drinks, the salted caramel mocha, back in 2021. I remember the last time I had it was, I was sitting inside studying. I was back in PT school, and I got a salted caramel mocha maybe back in fall of 2020, right before they discontinued it, and said they weren't going to bring it back in 2021. And I even wrote to Starbucks asking them to bring back the salted caramel mocha, to which they had said they just didn't get enough interest. So I guess not that many people were ordering it, but I definitely was keeping it in business. And I know a few other people who were also ordering it, but no worries, because I have a recipe for you all that tastes exactly like the one that you can get at Starbucks. And all I'm going to be doing is using the Starbucks blonde espresso roast pods. In my Nespresso, I'm going to use 2 pods, and then I have some chocolate syrup that's going to be my mocha sauce, and then I have some salted caramel syrup from Tirani that I'm going to use as well. And then I'm going to froth up some oat milk. You can use whatever milk you like best, but I'll froth that up and pour it all on top, and I'll have a homemade salted caramel mocha. Okay, so I have my mocha sauce here, and I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons into my glass before I pour the shots over on top, so that way it can kind of melt down some of the chocolate sauce. And you can never go wrong with some Hershey sauce to really give it that rich mocha flavor. Okay, that was 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna take my salted caramel that I have here from Tirani, and I'm gonna also give 1, 2, 3 pumps of that. And it's gonna be right here. And then I'm gonna take my Starbucks blonde roast espresso shot and put it in here. Then I'm going to go ahead and brew it on top of the chocolate sauce and the salted caramel. And then while that shot's brewing, I'm going to go get my oat milk and froth hot oat milk, and then I'll come back and pour my second shot. Okay, so the first shot just finished pouring, so now I'm gonna pour my second shot, and then I'll froth the oat milk. So there's the second shot that's gonna start up, and I'm just gonna give my oat milk a good shake. And then I'm gonna pour it to the first line in the Nespresso milk frother, and then I'm gonna froth hot milk. Okay, so the second shot just finished pouring, so I'm gonna take my glass with my mocha and my salted caramel, and I'm gonna use my milk frother and just kind of make sure everything's all mixed up together. You don't have to do it for too long, just for a little bit. That smells really, really good. I love how that Hershey chocolate sauce smells. Now here's my frothy oat milk here, and I'm just gonna pour it on top. That looks amazing. Let me go get a spoon just so I can stir this up. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a good stir. Smells good. And then of course I have my whipped cream, because this is a holiday drink, so you obviously need some whipped cream on top. I'm gonna give it a good shake. Then I'm gonna put the whipped cream on top. There you go, just like that. And then obviously you need to top a salted caramel mocha with some caramel sauce. I'm using the Ghirardelli. It's a really pretty drink. So here you have a salted caramel mocha made with an espresso. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I'll see y'all next time.